Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to the channel after job. So in this video, I'll share with you job openings from Netherlands. It's a European country. I hope you all know this. So let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, and what is the requirements to apply for this job. All the details you can discuss in this video. Let's start. So the first job is for a logistic worker requirement in Netherlands. Have you ever wondered how products get from the factory to your home? That's the job of logistics. So guys, if you are belongs to the logistic professionals, you can apply for this job. So before you apply, you should read all the job descriptions. As you can see here, the client or the company guiding you how to maintain the logistic jobs. And if you have already experience, I hope you should have the idea. So they are mentioning what is the job type and how the job timing and what will be the payments all are here. So if you want to apply, then you can apply directly. If you are available in the Netherlands, you can visit to the office. This is the official address in Netherlands. And if you are out of Netherlands, then you can apply through this official email ID. First of all, you need to make your professional CV with update this and make a cover letter and forward it to the given official email ID. After that, you can get contact for the client interview. And if you have any relations and cousin are available in Netherlands, you can also inform them to verify this office in the address. So first of all, you need to know this is the urgent job vacancies from Netherlands and for logistic worker. If you are belongs to the logistic professionals, then you can mention your proper experience, proper certifications, and you can apply by this official email ID. The timing are mentioned here. You can see here. You will get the salary 14 to 23 euro per hour, and this is a full-time positions job, and you will get benefits. All are provided by the company, and if you will work on evening and night, you will get extra benefits. So first of all, you need to know this is the urgent vacancy, so you have to apply as soon as possible. Let's move to next job. Next job is production worker. So if you guys having experience of production worker, then you can apply for this job. Before you apply, let's focus what is the job descriptions. Are you looking for a new challenge as a day shift production worker? Then we have good news for you. For our customer in CVG, we are looking for an enthusiastic production employee to join our team of about 90 driven employees. At this client, we stand for quality and therefore we make customization production products. As a production employee, you will play an important role in assembling these high quality products. We will work the day shift from Monday to Thursday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and on Friday 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. That means for Friday you will get released before 1 hour. So this is a good opportunity, and you will work in Netherlands as a production worker, and you will get 2 day weekend, 2 day week off, and you will work from Monday to Friday, and on Friday you will get 1 hour relax. So I hope this is a good opportunity for you. So but that's not at all. The client is a part of larger group that is a part of international division, a leading player in the field of roller shutters, roller gates and related products. So as production employee, you will be part of large international family with a rich history and excellent reputations. Does this sound like music to our ears? Then apply immediately or contact our office in Suzy. This is the official contact number. Job location, as you can see here, this is the location in job Suzy in Netherlands. How to apply? Online application form, contact floor relation. So this is the HR person and this is the official address. And if you are not in office, you can send your official, this is the official email ID. You can send your updated CV and cover letter. This is the applying process. So I hope you understood all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. This is your urgent job vacancies. So don't be waste your time. If you are belongs to the production worker professionals or logistic professionals, apply as soon as possible to get a chance to attend the client interview. After you crack from the client interview, you'll get a chance to move Netherlands with your job. So again, I would like to tell you this is a latest job vacancies from Netherlands, and many of guys nowadays having a dream to move Europe with a job. So this is the good opportunity. Don't miss this. If you belongs to the logistic professionals or belongs to the production professionals, then you can apply as soon as possible. The applying process I already shared with you. If you are in Netherlands, you can visit to the office directly, and if you are not in Netherlands, you can apply through the official email ID, make your professional CV and cover letter and forward it to give it official email ID. Don't forget to make a Europass CV, because many of European countries they are accepting Europass CV. So if you don't know about Europass CV, go on Google and search how to make a European CV for Netherlands jobs, so that you can make your professional CV and you can attach a cover letter and you can apply by this official email ID. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any question, you can drop a question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And I would like to request you please share this information to any of your friends and relatives who have a logistic professionals experience and production workers experience, so that they can apply on time and they can move Netherlands with a job. So best of luck.